Hi everyone, Joshua here with Barista Warehouse, and today we're taking a look at the 10-mile metal disc filters for use in the AeroPress coffee maker. Now the 10-mile brewing disc is a 304 grade stainless steel disc that eliminates the need for using paper filters entirely with these two brewers, and is the ideal solution to transform your AeroPress and Delter Coffee Press brewing routines into an eco-friendly, travel-ready brewing kit. The 8 micron-size tiny holes in the metal disc allow filtration to hold back the grinds, but also let some of the coffee's natural oils pass through to the filter into your final brew. And paper filters in large part hold these oils back. Now these coffee oils can be very aromatic and are often responsible for the most fascinating flavors found in coffee. The addition of the oils to your brew also give your coffee a fuller, heavier, and more lingering mouthfeel to the cup. To use the 10-mile disc, simply prepare your AeroPress or Delter Coffee Press the same way as you normally would, but swap out the paper filter for the 10-mile disc. Place the filter into the cap and make sure that you have the tech side facing upwards, and brew away. You do want to avoid pressing too hard or too fast though. The filter is also easy to clean in a rinse under water. Just be sure you don't pop it out into the bin and forget. Now the 10-mile disc can be used back to back without losing any efficiency in filtration too. And during travel, the filter stores neatly away in the brew cap, freeing up that packing space that would normally be used for paper filters. And that's the 10-mile stainless steel disc filter for use with the AeroPress and the Delter Coffee Press for you. It's great for having on hand whilst traveling. It adds a new dimension to your cup of coffee and removes the chance of you ever running out of paper filters again. If you have any questions on the 10-mile brewing disc, then throw them in the comments below. We'll get straight back to you. Don't forget to hit that little bell icon and subscribe to keep up to date with our latest videos. If you've enjoyed this one, hit like. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.